Welcome back to the channel, and today we're bringing you an in-depth review of one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2025 Toyota RAV4. Let's explore what makes this latest version stand out in terms of design, comfort, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 retains its rugged yet refined look, with a few bold updates to enhance its presence on the road. The front grille has been slightly redesigned, giving it a more aggressive edge, while the LED headlamps now feature a sleeker, more modern signature. The body lines are sharper, giving the vehicle a sportier and more aerodynamic profile. The wheel options have been upgraded too, with new 18 and 19-inch alloy designs that not only look great but also offer better performance. The rear has been refreshed with a new bumper design and upgraded taillights that give it a cleaner and more futuristic appeal. Overall, the 2025 RAV4 looks tougher, smarter, and more premium than ever before. Inside the cabin, the improvements are immediately noticeable. Toyota has paid special attention to materials and layout, offering a more refined and tech-forward experience. Soft touch surfaces and contrast stitching are used throughout, giving the interior a premium feel. The dashboard now features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen on the higher trims, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that delivers clear and customizable driving information. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with improved voice recognition and over-the-air updates. Cabin space remains generous, with plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are supportive and comfortable for long drives, and the available panoramic sunroof adds to the sense of openness. Cargo space is equally impressive, offering flexible options with a 60/40 split rear seat and a low, wide cargo floor for easy loading. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 offers a range of powertrain options to suit different needs. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivers around 203 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It offers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency for its class. For those looking for more eco-friendly options, the RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid versions continue to be strong choices. The hybrid model combines power and efficiency, offering a total of 219 horsepower and excellent fuel economy. The RAV4 Prime takes it further, with up to 302 combined horsepower and the ability to drive on electric power alone for short distances. All-wheel drive is available across most trims, and the off-road focused TRD off-road variant includes enhanced suspension tuning and drive modes for tackling tougher terrain. The RAV4 continues to strike a solid balance between daily drivability and weekend adventure readiness. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 lineup starts at approximately $30,000 for the base trim, which includes plenty of standard features like Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, adaptive cruise control, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. The XLE and XLE Premium trims add more comfort and convenience features, with prices ranging between $32,000 and $35,000.